So I was packing up to go on a trip, and I backed the car into the carport, and it was starting to come a storm. I in and out of the car a couple of times, and I left the key in the ignition and closed the door and locked it up. So I didn't have another key, so I called my friend who is a police officer. He came over with a Slim Jim, slid it down by the door, ran the Slim Jim in, popped the lock, and the door opened. Then I got in the car, cranked it up, and I drove it away. And so in about 20 minutes, the battery not charging light came on, and about 2 or 3 minutes after that, the engine quit. So I thought it was maybe the alternator. It just felt like an alternator problem. But then I got to thinking about it, and I thought, well, maybe this Cadillac has a electrical security system that if somebody tried to break in your car with a Slim Jim, then maybe this happens. And I was wondering if anybody could tell me that, because I do know these older Cadillacs have a lot of bells and whistles, because the key was in the car. Key was in the ignition, but it wasn't turned on or anything. It will start, but it'll shut right off. Well, I'm not in the car, and I'm not with the car. I'm driving another car, and I just happened to look up the question on Google, and that's how I got connected with you guys. So I'm not in that vehicle now. It's at the shop, and I don't know what they're going to find out, but I was just wondering if I should tell them anything about electrical security system. All right, that's good info. Well, I guess that's what I was trying to find out. I didn't have the manual on that vehicle, and I just wondering if there was. Have you ever heard of anything like that? Well, is there a fee for that, or is that just a document? All right, that'd be good. No, that's it. A lot of people are not driving 97 Caddies, but this one was sitting up for many years. My son has been driving it for maybe a year. And it's a great vehicle. It drives great, but it is a 97 Cadillac Deville. It is what it is, but it's still a really good vehicle. So, well, thank you. I appreciate connecting. And great. Thank you very much.